Okay. This guy needs to be 1.6 something or other for the inside diameter. So I gotta get that up there. So anyways, I will let you guys kind of watch along as I fumble through this little ordeal. Hopefully the fading sunlight doesn't mess with you guys too badly. But anyways, here goes nothing. Ow, damn it. Guess we knew that was going to happen. Oh, that won't grip onto there. Okay. Gonna want to do this a little differently than I think. Yeah, definitely gonna do it differently. Let's see here. What do I got handy? Alright, let me pause you guys for a minute while I go get a ratchet strap. Okay. This 4-jaw chuck is significantly heavier, so don't really want to take too many chances with this. bring it a little closer for the next part of this. Almost don't even need this. It's almost the same height. Actually, it is the same height. Let's see if I can do it without. Good thing I didn't have a thicker piece of plywood on here. There we go. Alright, done with the crane. Alright, I'll just give you guys kind of the basic rundown of what's going on here. Because I sure as heck don't want to make you guys sit through this whole thing, because this will take me probably the next day to get this concentric enough here for me to be happy with it. But I think you guys pretty well get the idea. At any rate, I just need to space it off the back of the chuck, or back of these jaws a little bit so I don't run into them. Much of a hassle as this is going to be, I really didn't feel comfortable about gripping it here on the hub because it's got a little bit of casting draft to it. So I figured as much of a hassle as this whole setup was going to be, probably be the wiser choice. Alright, so at any rate, this is going to be the pulley that's going to go on the input shaft of the planer. This will hopefully be my final solution for this whole thing. So what I've calculated out is this variable pulley here is going to go on the motor. It's going to go to that 15 3/4 and to that 5-inch pulley, to the 12-inch pulley that's currently on the lathe, and that'll be my input. here goes the next saga, or the next adventure on this journey. All right, I'll catch you guys later.